Blenders are not usually considered a home essential, more a non-essential item. However, having the ability to make healthy vitamin-packed smoothies in the morning and blended margaritas at night, pina coladas and strawberry daiquiris on a summer's day, and green smoothies the morning after. I'd say that's pretty essential. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best blenders from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Buying the perfect blender for cocktails and perfect blender for smoothies, things to consider before buying. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. The Magic Bullet blender can functions in different aspects, in the sense that it can be used to chop, grind, blend, whip, and many more. This product is small but mighty, very portable. You can travel with it, if you like, because it is a lightweight green smoothie blender. Meanwhile, the cups are of high quality and they are also BPA-free. The cups can be used for storage. Number 2. The Ninja Professional Blender features outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power. This professional blender is ideal for making large batches of creamy smoothies and frozen drinks. The Ninja blender has a total of 6 crushing blades, which gives you ideal blending, ice crushing, and frozen fruits in seconds. It crashes ice to snow in seconds and whisks your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces and smoothies. These 6 crushing blades allow ice to blend faster compared to the other blender. To clean the motor base, use a wet cloth. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 58148A blender. This blender is a personal blender because it cannot serve too many people at the same time. However, it is expedient, lightweight, and also has a powerful motor. You can as well travel with it because it is fast and easy to use. Moreover, the jar can be used for storage and it is easy to carry around. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender is the best blender for green smoothies for those that want to take their greens any time of the day, whether in the office or you travel. Number 4. Vitamix E310 Explorian blender. This blender is a must-have in the kitchen for any lover of green smoothies. The blades are very strong, which enables it to be able to grind the toughest ingredients. Vitamix E310 can be used to blend as many ingredients at a time because of its size. It is not a one-man blender. However, with this product, you can adjust the level you want your blender to work, whether you want the puree to be smooth or not. The motor is powerful, high, and of good quality, which makes it reliable to invest in it for the best blenders for green. Number 5. nutribullet Personal Blender traits a powerful 600 watts motor with unique extrication blades and absolute rapid action to seize up, crumble, to obscure fruits and veggies better than any quality blender or juicer, producing silky plain nutrient-extricated beverages that nutrify your system from the inside out. The nutribullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries, and spinach, then push, twist, and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.